going to be installing this Fuji Racing engine pitch mount. Got this from Import Car Parts for around £85. Really good upgrade for your older Subarus like this. A lot thicker, sturdier than the original plastic ones. So we'll go ahead, open the bonnet and get the intercooler off. Just need to remove the intercooler so you can get your Jubilee off from this side of your intercooler, from underneath, off the turbo. You should have a bolt on either side of the intercooler. Get them off, remove your hoses off the intercooler, and you might just need to pull this hose off. If you have a dump valve, you'll already have it bunged off and disconnected. Once you've got intercooler off, you've got a 40mm nut about here, and you've got one on this side. It does appear that it's been tack welded on that side, so just unbolt these and you'll be able to fit your new pitch mount in. You can really tell the difference in the quality of these. It's a lot thicker, the aftermarket one. The original one's a lot smaller, and it's plastic. It's just had a lot of wear to it. It's 20 years old, so go ahead and pop this one in. Good to put a little bit of grease on your bushings, and it should just stop any squeaks you may have. And once it's fitted, you'll have something like that. Really easy install. The hardest part is getting the intercooler off and back on. It can be a bit fiddly, but it's a lot better that. You can see the difference.